Alright, so this is the Mix Flip, the first flip from Xiaomi, and this is the Galaxy Z Flip 6. That's the front screen. Let me just give you a look. One thing, as you can see, like for the Flip 6, it looks really strange. I thought this was like a wallpaper or something, but actually it is just like this, okay? The screen just like this, with this weird curved screen. But for Xiaomi, you see, it's like a piece of screen for you. I think for Xiaomi, it looks way better, right? Also for Galaxy, even I turn on the water rotate, you cannot rotate the outer screen. That's very strange. But for Xiaomi, you can rotate whatever you want, like this way and this way. And the camera module is Samsung, looks a bit smaller with the flash, like independently beside two lenses, but Xiaomi just embed the flash to one of the lenses. And this is the thickness. It looks like almost the same, I guess. Let's compare this. Oh, see? Actually, I think Xiaomi maybe is thicker, but Xiaomi has a smarter design with a slightly curved screen and the back panel, so it looks like thinner visually. But yeah, the hinge, like and this part for this side both have this volume rocker and the fingerprint scanner and power key and bottom. Okay, that's it. Galaxy definitely feels like more rugged, more premium with this finish. Xiaomi feels a little bit cheaper, but of course the price. But definitely Galaxy feels more premium and high end. And this is the back, like for Z Flip 6. Wow, it's like so tight. But for Xiaomi, it has this kind of a small gap because of the curved design. Okay. One thing you might care about is the crease. From my personal view, is like if we just view from this angle, I think Xiaomi is more obviously with this crease. But for Galaxy, it has done a great job on the crease. It looks so flat without even notice. Okay, with this angle, this. Obviously, Xiaomi is more like obvious. And that is the design. They also have other colors for the Z Flip 6, and you can leave your comment below which one do you like. Alright, now let's compare the camera. This is the interface, photo, portrait. So portrait, Xiaomi Mix Flip supports 4 focal lengths. For Z Flip 6, 2. For Galaxy, it supports 4K 60. For Xiaomi, it supports up to 8K. Yeah, let's compare the 4K 60 a little bit. Alright, and this is the 4K 60. Let's compare them a little bit. Okay, here you go. So photo. So for Flip 6, it has an ultra wide. But for Xiaomi, it does not. But anyway, let's just compare it. Okay, 1 time, 2 time, 4 time. Also 4 time, we just use the original one. Wow, Galaxy feels much better, the camera performance. Okay, 5 times, 10 times. Wow, I don't even need to view this from a big screen. Alright, now I want to compare them in 4K 30 for the zoom test. For Galaxy, it supports like ultra wide, but for the Mix Flip, it does not. So, so this is the ultra wide. This is the main. Let's go to 1. So this is the main zoom, and now let's go to 2. Okay, let's go to 2. Also support 2. So this is the 2. Definitely Xiaomi got a little bit overexposed on the highlight part, like the poster here. I can see some text on the Galaxy, but for Xiaomi it's like the total black, but total worn out. But for Galaxy, it only supports up to 2 times zoom. For Xiaomi, it supports 3 times, up to 6 times. So that is, it is, okay. For the front camera, they all support up to 4K 60, so let's take a few samples. Alright, let's just compare them. Oh, Xiaomi's screen looks a little bit darker, but I have to view this on the screen on a big monitor to see who has the better camera quality. But of course, for this foldables, you can always like use the back camera, use the rear camera for selfie shooting. Choose a color tone for your selfies, natural of course. So photo, portrait. Alright, that is a really quick hands-on of the Flip 6 and the Mix Flip. Yeah, from my first impression, like the Z Flip has much better camera performance, much finish, much better finish and craftsmanship. But of course, the price is much more expensive than the Xiaomi Mix Flip. Yeah. So which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and that is the video. Thanks for watching, and Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.